Hello, back again. We've got a bit of a special project coming up soon, so we have to make a base for this, just for a single throttle body on the top. So I'm just going to make one out of just some aluminium sheet, just do some bead rolling and tip in where the throttle body's going to go. Make it so it bolts in with these holes, and yeah, it should look pretty cool. It'll look very cool on the car, and you'll get to see what is going on very shortly in the next couple of weeks. So thanks for watching. Well, I gave that a shot trying to shrink it, but it was just trying to stretch that to get that hole, but it was a little bit too much for it. So instead I'm going to just do a bit of angle on the bender. We'll cut this out of here, and then I'll just curve it around with the stretching die to get it right, and then we'll just rivet in, hand rivet it. I wanted it to be one piece, so I was giving that a shot, but obviously that's not going to happen for me today. It's all practice, figuring out what's going to work and what's not, and that was not going to work. So I ended up making up a ring instead. It goes through. That's going to go on top of the throttle body, and that's going to be the main plate. We'll do a couple of beads in here to make this a bit stronger. I'm just going to rivet this in. I just hand rivet it. Why not? And yeah, that should do it. Rivet it on, and we'll do a couple of bead rolls and just make it a bit stronger. I am all done. Just got to drill a couple of holes for the bolts to go in, but that is good to go. I had a bit of an issue with this to start with. I tried to turn it straight out of the aluminium, but it ended up being too much thickness up there. I guess I'll get better at that as I go, but yeah, but it still worked out. Just made that ring out of some 1.2mm mild steel, and it worked, so that was cool. It's ready to go on the car, and I'll show you very shortly the car that it's going on. If you like the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment whether you like it or not. Just let us know how you think I did. Keep going. Have a good day.